Accuracy versus precision. Accuracy and precision are different things a chemist needs to consider while analyzing their data. These concepts can be difficult to understand at first. To begin, let's start with some definitions. Accuracy is defined as the closeness of a measurement to the true value. Precision is defined as the closeness of two or more measurements of the same thing. These definitions are wordy and confusing. Let's use an analogy to help us understand the difference. Imagine an archer. One afternoon, this archer shoots 6 arrows at 4 targets. Let's look at the results. In the first target, the archer was neither accurate nor precise. We know this because the arrows are spread out throughout the target, and don't really follow the same area as other arrows. Now, onto the second target. On this target, the archer was accurate, but not precise. We can tell this because the arrows were surrounding the target, but they were not very close together. Next, onto the third target. On this one, the archer was not accurate, because the arrows did not hit anywhere near the bullseye. But, archer is precise, because all the arrows hit in the same area. Finally, the last target. On this target the archer is both accurate and precise. We know this because the arrows are all on the bullseye, and very close together. How does this relate to chemistry? Let's say you are in a lab doing some experiment. The target outcome of this experiment is 12 grams. Here are the numbers from the first 5 trials. By looking at these numbers, we notice how many of them are far from the target, and how spread out they are, just like the first target the archer shot at. By looking at the data we can conclude that the data in this set is not accurate, and not precise. Now let's look at the second set of numbers. When we look at them, we notice that they are close together, but far from the target. From this we can conclude that this set of data is precise, but not accurate. Let's move on with the third set of data. These data points are close to the target of 12, but they are spread out from each other. These traits makes this set of data accurate, but not precise. Finally, the fourth set of data. These data points are close together, and they are close to the target. From this we can conclude that this set of data is accurate and precise. Accuracy versus precision.